Hello guys, welcome to Happy Streamers channel. Hope you're doing well. In this video I'm going to show you how to unfriend someone on Bereal. So guys, let's continue into your Bereal app. Now just tap on the two human icon in the left side of corner and then swipe right, or you can just tap on the friends. Now tap on the profile you want to unfriend and then tap on the three dots icon. Then just tap on the second option, remove, and then just tap on confirm, and then he won't be your friend anymore. And that's it. That's how you can unfriend someone on Bereal app very easily. So guys, I hope this video was helpful to you. If it was, then please give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching the video.